Look what I found. Yo! So, I think most of y'all got ice. The big storm. But I'm talking about this. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It's like round. 3, 2, 1. Oh. So satisfying. Then we got this. Let me kick it. And yes, most of the videos, I won't be able to show my face. As I gotta turn 14 first, because my mom was like, no, you can't show your face. And stuff. I agree with her. Watch this. Look. Oh, I didn't share that, sorry.
Hey, Christian.
Yeah, my fingers are cold, Jesus.
Did you ever slip during getting down the stairs trying to get...
Gotta be careful walking down the stairs. This is oddly satisfying. Right up here. Just tap. Oh, ow. Look, it fell on me. We also got the tree that rains. Icicles. I feel bad for him. You see that right there? Let's crush it. Bye.